Day 58. All-time lows. That's fine. You know what I'm saying? It's the rubber band. It's the slingshot effect. The pullback premium before we launch into space. All right. We have $6,630.26 in our portfolio today. I sold one thing today, and it was Bitmine Emerging Technologies. All right. Says I purchased. I probably did at some certain point. I don't even see where it is. Hold on. Hold on, guys. This one right here, negative $175. Because it was getting out of hand. Bitcoin was getting out of hand. I said, whoa. That thing dipped to like, let's see, 88,467. I was like, something is heating up in this market. I have no clue what it is. I do not want to be on the back end of it. You know what I'm saying? I may get right back into it. You know what I'm saying? Just because I sold out for a loss don't mean I'm scared of the stock anymore. You know what I mean? But what happened today was the Fed, I believe they cut rates. They cut rates today. And also, NVIDIA had earnings. And NVIDIA smashed earnings, basically. That's why after hours, this huge run-up happened. So if we scroll down right here, we can see their revenue increased to 57 billion. Their gross profit 41.85 billion. Net income 31.91 billion. And over here we see their EPS 130, which is 0.05 above the estimated 1.25. So they smushed earnings, and because of that, I was thinking today, like, dang, like, should I get out of CoreWeave? I was like, no, because I know CoreWeave and NVIDIA are connected. If NVIDIA does well, CoreWeave does well, and to my surprise, well, not to my surprise, really, boom, 80 on CoreWeave, just like that. It looks exactly like NVIDIA, right? Looks exactly like them because they are backed by NVIDIA and OpenAI. So if NVIDIA does good, first of all, the rest of the stock market does good because NVIDIA is like 8% of the S&P 500. So yeah, NVIDIA is the leader. So we were down today on CoreWeave. We were down $35 with a $70 total return. Now if I look in at this 80 that it's at right now, boom, that's crazy, ain't it? That's crazy. Hopefully when the morning comes, I can open my portfolio and be like, oh, at least I've recuperated, you know what I'm saying, something. Like, I'm looking at how Bitcoin is acting. Bitcoin is acting very fickle, I can't lie to you, because I see MicroStrategy is just, look at how low it got. 181. Insane. And if Bitcoin continues to go down lower, guys, it's crazy. I don't know when it's gonna happen. I don't know when the rally's gonna happen. I don't know, guys. I do not know. But I do not want to be on the bad side of the trade when it happens. You know what I'm saying? Palantir did pretty well too after hours. Today Palantir was like, nah, I'm not feeling it. Dips down to 162. Now it's at 171. Ain't that something? So that's why I'm not afraid of the stocks, guys. I'm not afraid of it. I'm sticking with it. All right. We are in this to win this. Okay. I don't care how I'm not gonna say I don't care how long it takes, because I would really not want to get this after like 10 years. Like, no, I would really be sad. But I just know it's close. It's close. You know what I mean? It's close. But this to me is a learning curve, because I'm starting to see how some stocks move. Like even Wix, which I'm thinking about buying, guys. This one, I saw this candle today, right here when it formed. I saw the little, you know, the green candles afterward that are trying to form, but my instincts just tell me, like, don't get in that trade, cause it's gonna go lower. Like it's a fake out to like fake you out for an entry. If it doesn't break any structure significantly, it's likely a fake out. You know what I'm saying? And then look what it does. It goes up to 111 and boom, back down to 99. And it's exactly where I wanted to get it also. At that 99, I wanted to get it there. But I didn't want to trade it, because I want to see what NVIDIA does. And I would not want to put the rest of my money into that before I see what NVIDIA does. I need to see the direction it's going to go, because whatever direction NVIDIA goes in, that's the rest of the market. And that includes Wix as well. Wix moves with the market as well. So, you know, that was my whole thesis behind it. Yeah. But other than that, what I can say is our Wednesday's wrapped up. On to Thursday tomorrow. I may get in Wix, but I'm stalking NVIDIA. Look at Bitcoin. Now trying to hey man. We may get in strategy. Who knows? Strategy might just hit 200 tomorrow, guys. Calls for strategy. If you wake up, you see Bitcoin at 94, 95, on its way up to 100,000, get in strategy. Don't even think about it. just get in. Just get in. Because these stocks are really that simple sometimes. Like MicroStrategy reports good earnings. You know, Coinbase good earnings. Like, you know what I'm saying, backlog of money, but they will still go down because Wall Street will bring them down, and because freaking Bitcoin is just moving a certain way. Literally just because of that. Bitcoin, like Coinbase is down. I don't even need to look at Coinbase, because I know Coinbase is down since Bitcoin is down. Wrong one. Let's look. Down. Well, it really did. It went down, and then it made a retracement. It did. But it's following the same sentiment of Bitcoin. If you look at the digest, it slips 0.97% from yesterday's close as Bitcoin dips below 90,000. And insiders selling weighs amid new product launch. All right, but these are buys. These are buys, and I may get in them. MicroStrategy, I really like my MicroStrategy, because they're so leveraged in Bitcoin. It's just crazy. Like, they have over 600,000. They have the most Bitcoin out of anyone in the world. Well, except for, I guess, freaking Nakamoto, you know, wherever he's at. But yeah, MicroStrategy. That's definitely one for it's a buy. It's definitely a buy. Can't lie. All right, guys. I've been going on a tangent for a while. I hope you have a good one. See you on tomorrow. And peace. Leave a comment, leave a like, share, and yeah.